Mercedinha para
ज़्यादा बड़ा सीतामढ़ी का क्षेत्र में बहुत बड़ा योगदान है। एजुकेशन और बिजनेस दोनों में अच्छा है।
पिलानी में ये कहते हैं वहाँ जानवर को भी एजुकेशन है। अच्छा मैं एक एग्जाम्पल बताता हूँ। हमारे पास जो है वहाँ एक बिरला वालों का एक वहाँ कौन से पातालपुरी है ना, वहाँ एक डेयरी फार्म है। वहाँ गाय के बछड़े होते हैं ना, तो हर एक को एक एक नाम, किसी का नाम, किसी का चमन। और चमन बोलता है तो खूब के बच्चा आके जो है दूध पीना शुरू करता है। मैंने देखा है, वो नाम से पुकारता है। वो 20-25 बच्चे वहाँ के वहाँ वही लगा देते हैं, दौड़ लगाते हैं। उसका नाम पुकारा, वो आया, दूध पिया, फिर चला गया।
On behalf of Regional College of Education, Research and Technology on the prestigious occasion of National Conference on Emerging Trends in Wireless Communication with support of IEEE and IETE held on 26th and 27th of March in our very own campus. I know it's going to be an intellectual treat for our ears to hear different research and or rather different ideas, as it's very rightly said that a man may die, a nation may rise or fall, but an idea lives on. I would further like to add that a machine can do a work of 50 ordinary men, but there's no machine who can do a work of one extraordinary man with one extraordinary mind. And I'm proud to see that we have a wonderful gathering of extraordinary men with extraordinary minds. And I salute all technical minds present here, which have come from all over to make this event a success and a mind booster event in the chapter of Regional College of Technology, Research and Education. I extend my warmth and hospitality to make your stay comfortable and fruitful. Now, for further ceremonial proceedings, I would invite my very talented and budding engineers, Utkarsh, Akanksha, Ankita and Swati to take over. Thank you.
Thank you very much, ma'am. It is well said. To climb a mountain gives you more pleasure and peace than to reach at the top. Success could give proud to a person, but the effort makes a person great and distinguished. Greater the efforts, greater would be the chances of reaching the goal. In other words, the zest and rigor we put to achieve a goal is more essential rather than idle thinking.
Good morning, bonjour and namaskar. A very warm welcome to one and all ignited scientific minds in NCET WP 2011. National Conference on Emerging Trends in Wireless Communication 2011 is the knowledge initiative led by Regional College for Education, Research and Technology with the support of IEEE and IETE. This conference is to introduce you to new trends and technologies in science and communication field. it won't be an exaggeration if you would say that this would be the glorious chapter in the history of RCERT.
Now, as for the tradition, Lord Ganesha and Ma Saraswati is remembered and offered prayers for the success of the event. So, we would like to request Honorable Minister and Chief Guest Dr. S. Pal, Mr. M. Sharma, Dr. Deepak Bhatnagar, Mr. Vimal Kajla, HOD, respected Principal Sir, MP Punya, Mr. Anshu Surana, and Mr. Prem Surana, Chairman, Deepshika Kala Sansthan, to light the lamp and mark the beginning of the event. And our chief guest, Mr. Jitendra Singh,
So let us seek the blessings of Goddess Saraswati for the enlightenment of our souls. And for this, I would like to invite Sakshi Gupta and group to offer their prayers to Ma Saraswati.
Dr. Jitendra Singh, Guest of Honor, Energy Minister, Education Minister. Dr. Deepak Bhatnagar, Chairman, IEEE. Dr. M. Sharma. Professor M. P. Punya, BITS Ranchi. Dr. V. V. P. Singh, Siri Pilani. Dr. R.S. Raju, Siri Tilani.